Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the easiest way to draw heart. Draw a curved line upward and downward. It should look like a wide V. Draw another curved line parallel to the previous line. From the middle, draw straight lines downward, joining the endpoints. Draw heart symbol pointing upwards. Draw parallel lines to this heart upward. Draw a mango shape, tip point facing upwards. From this side, draw another mango shape, tip point facing downward. Draw V-shaped lines and join them with zigzag lines. Draw same in the second part. Draw two horizontal lines parallel to each other and close them with circles. Draw a curved line like this. Draw another curved line parallel to the previous line. Draw a cylinder shape upward. Now draw horizontal pipes. Draw two small pipe-like structures side by side. Two more here side by side. At the tip of the mango shape, draw two joint pipe-like structures side by side and close the circles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.